don't have any programming background, I don't have any development experience. How can I really join the developer role? So for that, I do have a plan for you. So what I do, here on in this video, there must be some WhatsApp number flashing somewhere. So just ping me on that. I will understand your requirement and I will create your step-by-step career roadmap. Okay, so in 2 to 3 months, you will be ready for your developer role that you can do. That is one way. Second way, in case if your current skill does not have sufficient opportunities in the market, feel free to cross skill to another skill. For example, suppose if you are working in TIPCO and in TIPCO you are not getting sufficient opportunities in the market, you can switch to MuleSoft. Okay, so that is absolutely required. So ready to cross skill.